guys, it's Ziya. Welcome back to my channel and welcome back to another 31 days of Halloween video. Today I'm going to show you guys how I made these poison caramel apples. They're not poison, but they are really delicious caramel apples. And I love how they look. They're so shiny. I can't get over it. You could even see my reflection in the video on the apples. It's insane. So I'm gonna stop raving about these apples and we're just gonna get started. First of all, you have to make sure that your apples are washed off completely and then dry them off really well too. Then pull out all of these stems. I had a hard time with this. I don't know why, but eventually they all came out, so I win. Take that, apples. The next thing you're going to need are soft caramel candies. I got this one from Werther's, but you can choose any other one that you want. And you're also going to need some food dye. I used black. Next, we have to unwrap all of the caramels. It took forever, but it's worth it. And next, we're going to prep a cookie sheet with parchment paper. I just sprayed the parchment paper down with butter-flavored Pam, and that worked out perfectly. The next thing we have to do is stick sticks into our apples. You could use popsicle sticks or treat sticks like I did here. Once those are prepped, it's time to start melting the caramel. Do this on medium heat so that it doesn't burn. I added 1 tablespoon of water to the caramel, melted it halfway, and then added a few drops of the food dye. And then I melted it the rest of the way. Once it's completely smooth and melted, go ahead and just start dipping your apples. What I did was I dipped the apple in and I just twisted it to get it completely covered. And the tops were not covered when I first did this, so I went back to them later after I had them all dipped and just poured some caramel over the top just to get the top coated as well, because I didn't want a bunch of naked apple peeking through the top. And that's it. You just let them dry and they're all good to go. And now they're done. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe down below if you have not already. And don't forget to hit that little notification button so that you can keep up with all the Halloween videos coming up this month. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye guys.